Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another Face Mask Friday. And today, as you can probably tell, we are going very sunset vibes. It's a little bit on the messy side, I'm not gonna lie to you, but hey, I'm sure you guys at home can do this, but 20 times better, so I have faith in you. What you need is a little bit of Morphe, Colour Burst, 35B, beautiful palette, 3 shades in there, done. Nice and simple, really, really easy to achieve. So go for it, have fun, and if you want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. So, as always, we are starting this tutorial off with a full base done, and beginning now with the eyes. So I'm just taking my Morphe translucent eye base primer and just patting that over the eye with my finger there, just to try and spread that all the way through and get that nice coverage. And now jumping in with the actual eyeshadow itself, this is the Morphe Colour Burst palette, and I'm just going to be taking these 3 shades, which is Beats Me, Puffs and Sunshine. So starting with Beats Me, just taking a small little fluffy brush there and essentially just working that kind of on the inner part of the eye, so just over the actual lid itself, and just slowly building that up and essentially covering the entirety of the lid, just so that you can obviously see that gorgeous purple shade, because it is a very, very nice shade. So yeah, just going into the other side now and just essentially doing the same thing there. And of course Josh covers the screen. And now going in with the orange shade, which is Puffs. Why did I say it like that? I don't know. Same brush, so just working it on top of essentially where that purple shade finishes, and just, yeah, pretty much getting the blend bit started. So it's going to look a little bit blocky at the moment, but obviously we are going in, as you can see now, with a fluffy brush and just slowly starting to blend that through. So you can see it's like pretty much lost its impact there, so I actually just went and dabbed a little bit of the orange back on directly to the actual blending brush, and just slowly, very gently and carefully tried to blend that. I'm still a little bit rough-handed with all of these, but yeah, you get the gist. So you're just blending that through there, and I tried to take it a little bit on the inner corner as well. And I think we're actually just going straight in this fashion with the... Did we go in with the yellow yet? I can't even tell. I'm so confused with my life. I think we are going in with the actual yellow shade now. So this is Sunshine. I just took this directly on the actual fluffy brush itself, making sure to get that inner corner snatched as well with a lovely bit of a yellow. And so like when we're applying this, we're obviously blending it at the same time as actually applying it, and I wanted to make sure that that yellow did stand out enough, so you can kind of just work with it. And then I did actually go back over these shades again, just because I thought the yellow did overpower a lot of it, especially the purple shade. It kind of lost its oomph, so I wanted to just make sure that that was back in there. And then once again repeating that on the other side here, so just making sure we've definitely got that gorgeous blend, as you can see there. Could be better with the blend, but hey ho, it's a sunset. I love it, it works for me. So yeah, again, just going back in and reapplying over those original areas there, just to make sure that they are popping, because we want them to look stunning and beautiful. There we go. Okay, so now we're actually just taking this underneath the eye. So just with a smaller smudger brush. I don't actually know what to call it. So it's called a smudger brush to me. So again, just replicating exactly what we've done on top, just a little bit smaller. So just lining the lower lash line essentially with Beats Me. So just matching the purple shade there, and then we'll be going in with the orange and just applying that just directly underneath and blending that through ever so gently as well. And then of course finalizing that up with Sunshine. But obviously I am talking way ahead of myself here, because I believe I'm still actually applying puffs. So yeah, you kind of want to make sure that this lower lash line is not as intensely dramatic and big. You kind of want to minimize it ever so slightly, but to get the blend you do need to kind of put it down a little bit. But I do think I went a little bit over dramatic with the yellow, but that's just me. We know what Josh is like. Josh cannot apply this to save his life. So yeah, you can see I'm just applying the yellow sections there, and just trying to essentially join the lower lash line up and connect it perfectly with the outer corner of the original. And then again, just going back in with the original shades, just to re-intensify and ensure that that blend is looking fierce and fabulous, because we live for it. Trust me, it looks crazy now, but once we've got lashes on, it would look so much better. Okay, so yeah, just taking the blending brush and just kind of toning it down a little bit, and blending away some of those shades, just so it kind of does marry into a bit more natural. Au naturel. Bada bing, bada boom. That is the eyes, well, eyeshadow done. Just going in with the brows. You know the drill by now. You know how Josh does his brows. Josh does his brows horrifically, so do your brows how you want to do your brows. But yeah, I'm just sculpting my natural brows and just kind of trying to give them a little bit of oomph and definition, while also making them incredibly dark. But hey, we live for this life, don't we? Y'all love it. So yeah, just using that spoolie there just to blend that out a little bit, just so it's not as intense. And now jumping in with the mascara. So brushing the lashes down, just so that we are ready to apply some gorgeous falsies. Which of course you should know what falsies we are going to be applying by now. So, oh, I'm also covering those bottom lashes, just because where we're putting falsies on the tops, it kind of helps to balance everything out. Just if the lower lashes have a little bit of something going on for them. So of course we are using the Indigo Rose lashes, and I'm trying to remember if they are either Confidence or I can't remember what the other one could have been. I cannot remember what ones I've used actually. I am very bad at this, but I will be leaving all the products down below so you will know which type of lashes these are, but they are Indigo Rose, because we live for Indigo Rose. And just applying some more mascara, just oomph that up. And now one of my L'Oreal lipsticks there, it's like a liquid lipstick. gorgeous nudie purple shade, because I thought it kind of married in with the inner part of this eyeshadow. So yeah, just, you know me, just applying my lipstick. Taking my extra special care to try and make it look perfect, but it never does. So yeah, just making sure that those are nice and covered, and that shade is absolutely gorgeous. And of course, we finalised everything up with the Jeffree Star highlight. Coat that face, literally all the high points, every single bit. Get that Cupid's bow, get those cheekbones. The cheekbones are the ones that I go for the most, as you can always tell. But yes, and then just going into the inner corners of my eyes and just kind of trying to blend that into the actual eyeshadow itself, just so it kind of gives a little bit of definition and pop there. But yes, I think that is pretty much it, just touching up now, and yeah, that's pretty much the tutorial. Right, so thank you very much for watching that video. I hope that you enjoyed that, and I hope that that was a bit of fun. Something just to cheer everyone up during this gloomy period of time where we are all stuck indoors in lockdown. It's really not fun. I've been tearing my hair out here, so I hope that you guys at home are surviving and, you know, making the most of this lockdown. And please, please, please do follow the rules. Listen to what the government says. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed. I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.